Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a quick and an easy strawberry mousse. To make this strawberry mousse, take 250 grams of strawberries. Take out the leaves and then chop the strawberries roughly and add it into a blender. To this, add 4 tablespoons of sugar. If your strawberries are very tart, then you will have to add a little more sugar, otherwise 4 tablespoons is more than enough. Now take your serving glass and add about 2 tablespoons of this strawberry puree in each of the serving glass. This is an optional step to make your serving glass look pretty. Then we are going to add some cream. I am using this Amul red packet cream, it's whipping cream. If you have a heavy cream, then if you can get a heavy cream, then use that. Add the cream into the mixie jar. Now close the mixie and blend this all together to make a smooth mixture. So this is it, our easy and simple strawberry mousse is ready. Transfer this into your serving glass. Leave this in the refrigerator to set for about 4 to 6 hours and then you can serve your dessert. Before serving, garnish your dessert cups with some chopped fresh strawberries. So this is it, our easy and simple strawberry mousse is done. This is a very tasty dessert. You can make this and leave it in your fridge and you can give this for your kids when they come back from school. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.